This is the hydraulic cylinder force calculator for extend and retract operations, which calculates the pushing and pulling forces of hydraulic cylinders. Let's look at the inputs. First, select your unit system from the drop-down menu. You can choose between Imperial, which uses PSI, inches, and pounds force, or metric, which uses bar, millimeters, and kilonewtons. For this demonstration, I'm using Imperial units. Next, enter the bore diameter in inches. This is the internal diameter of your cylinder barrel. Then enter the rod diameter in inches, the diameter of the piston rod. Finally, input your operating pressure in PSI, the hydraulic pressure supplied to the cylinder. After clicking Calculate Forces, the calculator displays your results. The extend force represents the pushing force when the cylinder extends outward, calculated using the full bore area times pressure. The retract force shows the pulling force when the cylinder retracts, which is lower because the rod reduces the effective piston area on the return stroke. These force values help you properly size cylinders for your application and ensure your hydraulic system delivers adequate power for both directions of movement. Find the link in the description below.